Hello guys, so yeah, Gaga. Oh, look at her. Her name is Charlie. I swear if I ever see this. Okay, oh, what's she doing? She lost. Come in my room where the door's open. Where's she? Where's the woman? Where's she? Oh, there you are. Jesus, you were fast. Why is she scared? Oh, she's such a cute pie. Charlie! Charlie, come on. Charlie! God damn it. You can see her tail. Okay. See what? Charlie! Oh, Charlie! Come on. I don't bite. Look what she's going to do to me. She's going to bite my fingers off. Oh. Well, come on, you like to bite my fingers? Because I bet it tastes good or something. Oh. What is this girl doing? What is she doing? She's silly. Oh. Come on. Bye-bye. Oh, no, she's not really. Okay. Oh. I guess she wants to see. Oh, yeah, look at my room. By the way. A lot of places. Oh, I respect that. Oh. Oh, she's going up the stairs, I think. Charlie. Charlie. Come on. Nibble on my fingers. You love to. You might chop my fingers off. She does, watch. I bet you do. Come on. Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. I know the rat. I know this is. Let me see if I can better. Bruh. Is she going? Yeah, I think she's. She is cute, isn't she? Oh. What you doing now? Oh my god, she's like. Look at her. Oh. Well, should I say that this? She did this once. The first time she was in my room. She did this. She loved to do this. Well, let's see if I can get her. And a big boo. Oh, what the? What's that? What's that, buddy? There you go. Charlie. I didn't say you can see her. Oh. Nibble on my fingers. You love to do that for some reason. She's like, no, no, no. She's like that with my fingers. I must taste good. Come on, my fingers. Right, hold on. Let me see. Oh, Michael. I can see Johnny. Johnny, your eye is dirty. I want, yeah, don't sniff that. Eye is dirty. Sorry, Johnny, I didn't even scare you. I'm dying or something. The same, but I can't do the heat today. I said he's in, yes. Alright, that will be it for today. Goodbye.